Empowerment series. Today, we are diving into an exciting and transformative topic: empowering women through business. Starting your own business is not just about financial independence. It's about creating a life of purpose, control, and impact. Let's explore how women entrepreneurs are really shaping the world and how you can join this journey. When you think about entrepreneurship, what comes to mind? For me, it's freedom. The freedom to choose your path, follow your passions, and build something that truly matters. Women entrepreneurs bring unique perspectives to the table. They are not only creating successful companies, but also redefining industries with their innovation, compassion, and resilience. Think of leaders like Kiran Mazumdar, who started Biocon from her garage and turned it into a global biotechnology powerhouse. She didn't just build a business, she changed the landscape of healthcare in India. Her story is proof that with courage, determination, and vision, anything is possible. When women succeed in business, the ripple effect is extraordinary. They inspire other women to dream bigger and take bold steps. They support communities, often using their businesses to solve local or global challenges. But here is the most beautiful part. By building a business, women create opportunities not just for themselves but for everyone around them. Let's see how to start your business. Starting a business might feel overwhelming, but every great journey begins with a single step. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Tip number 1. Discover your passion. What excites you? What problems do you want to solve? Your passion can become your business idea. Tip number 2. Start small. You don't need a big office or a huge investment to start. Begin with what you have and grow step by step. Tip number 3. Learn and adapt. The entrepreneurial journey is full of surprises. Be open to learning from challenges and adapting as you go. Tip number 4. Build a support network. Surround yourself with mentors, peers, and supporters who believe in your vision. They will be your biggest cheerleaders during tough times. Tip number 5. Believe in yourself. This might be the hardest part, but it's also the most important. Your belief in yourself will fuel your success. Starting and running a business is not just about strategy, it's an emotional journey. There will be moments of doubt, fear, and frustration. But there will also be moments of pride, joy, and joy. Each time you overcome a challenge, you will grow stronger. Each time you achieve a goal, you will prove to yourself that you are capable of incredible things. Today, I challenge you to think about this. If you could start any business, what would it be? Take a few minutes to write down your ideas, no matter how big or small. And if you have already started a business, think about your next big goal. Remember, every successful entrepreneur started with an idea and the courage to pursue it. Tomorrow, we will explore the incredible ways women are breaking barriers in STEM fields. STEM means science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Thank you for joining me today. I want you to remember this. Entrepreneurship is not just about making money. It's about making an impact. It's about turning your dreams into reality and creating a life you love. You have everything it takes to succeed. Believe in your vision. Take that first step.